did a pull. Sonic Evo. Sonic beat the Evo, but the reason why was because his transmission is not good. As you saw in the video, we were head ahead. He was about to pass me, but he can't.
Man, he can't shit on my transmission. He can't. He's fine.
He can shift into third. The same thing happened to me, but yeah, his car is definitely faster than mine. But he needs to fucking fix his transmission, and then
I got him by a fender, y'all. I got him by a fender, and then I got locked out.
So what do you think about Sonic, by the way?
Sonic's cool, man. It's like Sega Genesis. Sonic, it's a real Sonic.
Sega Genesis.
It's fast, it's really. That's what a car like that should. That's what it should do. It's got the power. It's got everything. It feels good.
Yeah.
It feels smooth how it should be.